Alright. Watch what go on now, nation people. Because here I go on. I never I don't really say nothing about this, but I watch Diva video this morning and Diva I make me know say right now. She post up her video and them thing and a whole heap of American in her comment section a cuss and a go on and a talk about, you know what I mean, them no worry about that because they have all the record and they have all the record and them shit there. So that not really matter and them thing there. All those things is like hypocrisy. All those things is like bad sportsmanship. You see what I say? For be a good sports person, you not carry indicted feelings in yourself if a sports you are dealing with because sports are worldwide thing, you see me? So although we probably have a country or an island where we cheer for or a special athlete where we cheer for and them shit, you have to know say sports are worldwide thing. So you can't be a sports person with indicted feelings in your head. So I'm saying a gimmicks thing that about it. So all these people in a Diva comment box and a rush her and I tell her about no. Over decades now, Jamaica have the record them wanna need. You see me? The record them wanna want it so bad. When you have the sprint record and from when you have the sprint record it's like when you have nothing in the world. No gimmicks business not dead about it. So respect to all of the athletes them who compete in a different events and them shit there. But you now have nothing where you can put to the 100 meter in the world. You see me? And the 200 comes second. You see me? Then the 4x1 sprint. You see me? A sprint. You see me? At the pick of the paddock when you talk about running business. You see what I say? And if you not gonna talk about record business, you know they talk about some long time shit and them things there. You see what I say? Yeah. Good my friend. Yeah.
Today is not a lucky day.
Huh?
Today is not a lucky day.
For who?
It's rain.
Oh.
Not good for the rain.
Right.
It was a lucky goal with Southampton. We're supposed to win.
You don't have no luck when it comes. You
missed.
have no luck when it comes to goal, my friend. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? How could it be luck? Like, oh.
It is though. It's the record.
No, man, you can't beat them. It's draw 1-1 and the
The
guy.
only reason you win is you got a couple.
Huh?
Right?
No, one guy doesn't.
Yeah,
One
you
guy
guys-
doesn't play
Like I said,
football.
you guys need
It's
superstars.
11 guys on the team, my friend. One guy
You guys
can't
need
play.
superstars. The young guns
It
are-
has to be a team effort. It can't be an individual
He
effort.
left us.
Huh?
We had him 2 years
No,
ago.
that was 2 years ago. We have him from he was a kid. We have him from he was a kid. Before he go to Manchester United, we have him from he was a kid. Joseph Mourinho is the one who loan him to Everton and then sell him after that. You
Right, but
understand?
You guys let him go.
Huh?
You guys let him. He wanted to leave.
We pay 138 million for him.
He turned it down.
He does score his first goal for Chelsea.
He worth that much.
You don't see he look happy?
I don't think he's happy.
He's happy. He come back home where he belong. You know what I mean? So, yeah, he come back home where he belongs. So we are 2 from 2. Man, you draw. You know what I mean? They draw against Southampton. They should have lose. The guy rocked
No, we should have win.
Oh, that's how you
They
see
got
it.
lucky. That,
No luck in football, my friend.
it was the right time.
I mean,
It's
the ball is run is what you put out, you're gonna get, my friend. No magic thing, you know what I mean? Whatever you put out, that's the result you're gonna get. You know what I mean?
You guys depends on what
Yeah, and if you can't be Southampton, I don't
If
know.
he down, you guys not gonna win again.
Who, Chelsea?
Yeah.
No.
If Lukaku got injured, you guys not gonna.
No, we have our eyes spot on the Premier League. You know what I mean? And I told you it's a team effort. We win Champion League, the champion of champion, the biggest cup in Europe. We won that without Lukaku.
It was a lucky year.
Yeah, I tell you, ain't no luck in football, my friend. It's not a dice you spin nor a coin you flip. It's like physical
guys got
activity for
lucky
90
and
odd
it
minutes.
was-
And you just
it
want to
was
sit.
just a city.
No, you have 1 hour.
guys are Manchester
You
United,
have a
you guys
hour.
couldn't win that easy.
No, you have a
No,
hour and 20 minutes to prove yourself, my friend. It can't be luck. right?
We were trying hard. There was a couple chances we could score on Southampton.
Yeah, you should have, but they didn't. They are not
It's
clinical.
luck. That's what I'm saying.
They are not clinical. You know what I mean?
That's what I'm saying.
And that's the second match from the season. You don't even see. Give it until December. I'm gonna tell you who's gonna win.
Big Red.
Yeah, in the first 2 weeks in December when I saw you, my friend, I'm gonna tell you who's gonna win.
We have a chance of chasing. We are coming after you.
You're coming.
We are coming. We are coming.
All right, my friend. Good. Yeah, you know we're sportsmen. Them touch right in a way. We is a man we grew up on. You know what I mean? So when the Americans them respect my friend. When the Americans them down in a diva comment box and a chat shit and a talk about this, over the years, the rest of the world I use jugs a beat Jamaica from Merlin active days. So all them Gale divas, them catching crabber, them flow Jode, it's alleged that all of them take drugs, or even some of them die by it. You know what I mean? It was alleged. You see what I say? That all of them take drugs. You know what I mean? It's, you know, when the sports clean up, when the Chinaman them make know say have to get tested. When the Chinaman them test Justin Gatlin and find out say, well then him tamper with banned substance and them stick there. I saw the sports clean up because over the years when I use drugs and I beat the rest of the world. You see what I say? Especially Jamaica, when that kill Merlin at you with drugs business. Be a drugs when you use and beat hard. When you never natural. No gimmicks thing not dead about it, no lollipop thing not dead about it. And you can check all of these girls' career where you hear me call out them name and see if them not mix up with drugs business. Because even drugs cause some of them death. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks business not dead about it. Right. All in the history of running business, you never see nothing like the lightning man yet. The guy broke the world record from 75 meters out in the 100 meter with him hand wide open, so, and I beat him chest. Which part you ever see that? Which part you ever see that? The guy broke the world record with him two hand them wide open, so 75 meters out, and I beat him chest. You never see that yet. You know what I mean? Yeah, and the next world championship him lower that. You know what I mean? And showing us say I don't know a lollipop thing. You know what I mean? And the guy pet event was 200 meter and 400 meter. And one day them have an individual invitation race and then put him up for run the 100. And the man run 10 flat and Glenn Mills and Dan Quarry put the man in a training and change him action. You know what I mean? I mean him formation, change him action and give him different formation. How to run the sprint and DQ, teach him how to lay down on the corner and press people and the rest of history. Because remember Dan Quarry the first man, you know, who win 200 meters for Jamaica, you know. That's where I said the little sharp man lay down on the corner, you know, and a base speed, you know, see a picture of him spikes bottom, you know. You know what I mean? So I don't know how no jump gone over in a diva comment box and I give a whole heap of argument and them shit there. No, you don't have no record what you really want right now. The record what you really want right now is the 100 meter and the 200 meter and the 4x1 record. You don't want it bad and a Jamaica response to all of them record over decades now. Every record we broke a Jamaican broke it. Remember why Justin Gatlin get fined for banned substance? It's all because 977 what Cassava Powell do. And him turn that him have to take the banned substance for try to run that time there. For try to beat Powell. You know what I mean? Yeah. And the Chinaman them catch up on him. Because them have technology too. That's what I deal with. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You know what I mean? And the girl Shakira, it's the first from Marriott track and field. The first me ever hear an athlete speak like that. You can check the history of track and field. Me never know say athlete can speak like that, my brother. Me never know that. Me never know say them thing there in a track and field. First thing she too ratchet. And let me tell you something, she's a disgrace to all the Rasta man them and the guy and real man and real woman we smoke weed. Because right now, now gonna make everybody put it on the weed, and weed is a thing where find pan King Solomon grave, which is the wisest man in him grave days. So if you smoke and you're not think collectively, weed are not for lazy people, weed are not for rude people. Weed is a thing where have your focus. So from you meditate and focus on the right thing, you can't come up with nothing but right and real and respectable answer. You see what I say? So no gimmicks thing not dead about it. You know what I mean? First thing she talk too much. You know what I mean? That's the first thing. And I deal with too much bragging business like before she even run the race. Before she even run against the ladies them. You know what I mean? Because it's not supposed to be no farmer personal vendetta against the ladies them more than you as an athlete and you come for perform the race where you run, my brother. You know what I mean? And you know how them things they go. You know what I mean? Because you can be the baddest athlete in the race, but at the point in time, you never bring your A game come. And other people sprint past you and sprint left you because so running go. You see what I say? Yeah. When you talk about them things there, you see what I say? Jamaican have the records them wanna need it. And that you need, you want them record there. You can't get them over decades now. How long now? You see what I say? You can't get the sprint record them you need. You see what I say? Yeah. I want to teach the girl how to have manners and respect and teach her how to speak when she take interview. Because that's what she go on with after the race. I think it ratchet. I think it ghetto. You know what I mean? It's not professional enough for me. So over the years when I watch track and field. You know what I mean? Yeah. I really thought I make no joke thing that day night. Yeah, okay. You see what I say? So you have to know how you run up on a mouth board and how you chat board. She chat too much and boast. Make your performance speak for you. Good. It's not like lightning, man. You see what I say? We bring a whole heap of enthusiasm to the game of track and field. Him never boast and show off on people like that. Him go to bag a new dance where run shit and laugh and fun in it. It's not nothing like that where the girl I deal with like some personal thing. So when time she run and flap now, she want to face the argument. An argument where I not think you're supposed to hold as an athlete. You know what I mean? Because notice each time race run or any competition go on, when the race done, you see the athlete them hug them one another. Because the whole of them are the same thing. It's just a sports, my friend. And I'm not personal against you know. It's just a sport. Over the years, them use banned substance and a beat Jamaican athlete them and when you know, this another first this happen, you know. Just remember, you know. The first time, you know, Shelly and Fraser, you know, I win the 100 meter, you know. Just remember, you know, when she win the 100 meter, you know, and Karen Stewart, you know, and this girl, you know, I can't remember her name right now, but the two of them run second, you know. They did for second, you know. Just remember what the American girl say, you know. She say I look like a voodoo business, you know, Jamaica use. All that come in her running. Yo, not too feisty and bright when time on losing, my brother. No joking thing, you know. When you give the people them credit where them deserve, you know. And no joke shit, you know. Over the years, you know, I use banned substance and I run left Jamaica. And when time the people them technology catch on pan uni, you know, but for sure they say, I know una alone have it. And now una have to come clean and them thing they can't come with no banned substance in our system, you know. And when you come clean and una system the raw band talent, una can't sprint left the raw band talent without una have nitro in our system. Them type of face the argument that you don't want to wall up. You know what I mean? It's alleged Flo Joe, Catherine Crabber, Gail Beavers, the whole of them. It's alleged so them take drugs business, ban substance business. You see what I say? Some of them even steroid kill them. You see what I say? Okay. So, me no know where the whole heap of like bad vibes and bad argument are going about. You enjoy sports, my brethren. Sports are something where you enjoy. Because sports is something where bring the whole world together, my brethren. No joke shit no dead about it. And you can't win them all. And the reason why you can chat like that, Jamaica not really representing enough field events, enough other events where you take participate in. Jamaican just knowing as the sprint factory. So anything we have to deal with sprinting, we are going to dominate that. No joke shit not dead about it. Or the general, the Ted Star wanna represent. So big up the ladies them in a Jamaica. Here's what I say, wanna represent fine. You know what I mean? In a fine style. 3-piece chicken and chips. Here's what I say, I wanna not like it. And watch it, we have all extra fries and biscuit on all the side. Here's what I say, because last the girl finished, she not beat none of the Jamaican them in other race. Yes, what I deal with? Yeah. Gaza way, you know. There no other way. Bless up to the Sprint Factory, Jamaica. Oh.